So I think that's my explanation for this recommender system using matrix factorization. I hope you all enjoy this video and thank you for the attention. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, good people. So today I want to share with you about how to make your recommender system using matrix factorization. So it's like matrix factorization is one of the most and widely used collaborative filtering techniques. And collaborative filtering is a recommender system that give you recommend based on the similarity of a user to other users. And this technique using similar user preferences over the items that could be recommended to other user, and this user has not seen or using this item. So that's how the collaborative filtering works. And okay, first of all, let me tell you about recommender system. Recommender system is like a system that predict your preference, the user preference of an item or on a product, and then give you recommendation or list of recommendation based on your interaction with that item. Either you like it or you dislike it. And okay, let's just start it. So here we will build matrix factorization that using global average on it. Why we use global average? It is because global average is easy to implement, and also the rating regression performance is a good, since the rating error is compared to real rating are small. We minimize that error. And but it also have disadvantages, like if we use global average, then it has no personalization for the user, because we using global average, that is using we will calculate the average of all of ratings that we have. And also I already have this matrix factorization algorithm, and I'm not built this is by myself from scratch. I get this algorithm from the cookstaps.com. You can take a look on this article. They show us how to build matrix factorization. It is a simple tutorial like I will do in this video, and it is created by Albert Aouyong. Maybe some of you is quite familiar of recommender system of the application that use recommender system in their algorithm is like Netflix, YouTube, or Spotify. Um, they let's take an example, like for the Spotify. You might be Spotify give you recommend you a bunch of song that you might be like, and then group that into a playlist, and those playlists is made based on what you already hear on your daily basis, and then it's also if you using Netflix, you might be see that it have a rating that is shows how much this movie is matched to you, and this that products also make me using this matrix factorization for their algorithm. So here I already have the matrix. Suppose this matrix is the relation of the user and the movie, and it's like the row is the user. User is like first user already given rating 3 to the third movies. The column is the movies. The first user is already giving rating first, 4 and 5 to the certain movies. So the data that we want to export is this matrix of ratings. And because we want to use global average, so we need to calculate the global average first. The global average we calculate is just like average from the all of rating that we have here. After that, we can use running our matrix factorization. Here I have the original matrix before, and then the approximation matrix that we already built using matrix factorization. You can see here on the first user in the third item, the user already gave 3, rating 3. Rating is from range 1 to 5, and our matrix factorization also give the rating, predict rating is 2.8, and it's already quite similar, but it also have a error on it. We can calculate the error between the prediction and the real rating. Here I already have the dataset, and we just running the MSA. It's up to you, either you want to using MSA or MSA error to measure your algorithm performance. Here, this algorithm have an error for RMSA for 1.2, and if you want to minimize the error, you can change the parameter that we use. Like maybe you can enhance the steps. Here I am using 100, so it won't take really long time to process. If you want to adding more steps on it, it's okay. And here I also have an alpha and beta, and the K, you can also change the K here. The K here is like a dimension on this matrix when we run the algorithm. I am using 8 here, and you can make an experiment to know which number better for this K. Of course, the larger the K, and then it needs more time to process. And after that, we can build the prediction. Here I want to give a recommended top 5 movies to each user. So here I just need to sorting the rating that we already have here, and then take the top 5. And for the first user, we already have top 5 movies that